Supply under GST. What is supply? Supply includes sale, transfer, exchange, barter, license, rental, lease, and disposal of goods or services. There are 6 parameters for treating a transaction as supply. There should be supply of goods or services. It should be made for a consideration. It should be made by a taxable person. It should be a taxable supply. It should be in course of furtherance of business. It should be made within the taxable territory, that is within India, except Jammu and Kashmir. Activities covered under negative list. There are activities that are neither considered as sale of goods nor services. They are services provided by employee to the employer, gives up to Rs 50,000 in a financial year provided by an employer to employee, services relating to a deceased person, services by any court or tribunal, duties performed by MP, MLA, MLC or members of local bodies, duties performed by any person as a chairperson or member or director in a body established by central or state government or a local authority, duties performed by any person who holds any post in pursuance of provisions of Constitution, sale of land, sale of building. However, if the consideration is received before completion, it will be treated as supply. Actionable claims other than lottery, betting and gambling. Activities that are treated as supply even if it is made without consideration are permanent transfer, disposal of business assets where input tax credit has been availed on such assets, supply of goods or services or both between related persons made in course of furtherance of business, supply of goods by principal to his agent or vice versa, import of services by a taxable person from a related person or from any of establishments outside India in course of furtherance of business. Thank you.